So United Airlines PR crisis strikes again as they had grounded their flights yesterday. They had grounded nearly 1,000 flights, people trying to get to funerals, weddings, job interviews, important events, things like that. People were very frustrated. They took to social media. They were documenting sitting on the tarmac for hours, sitting at airports, waiting for answers. And that was the biggest piece in this, is that people weren't hearing enough. They weren't hearing like what was going on. What I recommend is that they should have given updates every 30 minutes. People want to see of not just those general, we're working on this issue, it's a safety issue, or that's our number one priority. Those are really lame statements. People need to hear like real words, plain language, things that matter, updates, things that they can like hold on to that are tangible. And then from this point forward, now that you've got a ton of frustrated people across the country, and not the first time either with United Airlines, clearly. But now that you've got these people, what do they do now? So they've really got to work on rebuilding that trust, figuring out what went wrong, how they're putting in that human element, how they're getting maybe third-party audits to correct this issue from ever happening again. What kind of backup systems could they have put in place to make sure that this doesn't happen, and so on. So good luck, United. You've got a lot of homework here, and people are really, really, really frustrated for very good cause. My thoughts are there, people expect tech issues, safety issues, airline delays. What they don't accept, though, is poor communication, poor updates, poor reasons, vague responses. They need real language. So again, it's not about the tech or the safety. Those are really important things. It's about the communication breakdown.